Hey, family and friends, welcome back to Abby's Chaotic Kitchen. Today we are going to be taking shredded rotisserie chicken and turning it into flavorful chicken tacos. Let's get started. So to begin with, I've got about 4 cups of it was frozen of the shredded rotisserie chicken, and it's okay if it's frozen. It's going to heat up in there while it's cooking, and we're just going to let that cook and meld together while we get our extras prepared, you know, the lettuce and the shredded cheese, tomatoes, things like that. Okay, now to that, we're going to add in, we're going to do a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. About 3/4 cup of, 1/2 to 3/4 cup of salsa, depending on how saucy you like it. And I'm saucy, so, you know. 3/4 for me. Okay, got that in there. Now you want the equivalent of 1 taco package, and I've got my own here, so I'm just going to do 2 and just a little extra. There we go. And we're going to do about a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay. And of course, I'm going to throw in a little bit of Slap Your Mama. Give it a good seasoning, right? I don't know. Actually, if I've ever made chicken tacos before, I can't honestly remember it. But we're also going to put in about a tablespoon of lemon juice here. There we go. And so that is actually it for now. And we are going to put this on low for 1.5 to 2 hours. So let's see, select. Got the timer going. I'll go ahead and set it for 2 hours. But there we go. Once it starts to soften up a little bit, I'm going to give it a good mix. But just keep an eye on it so it doesn't get too dried out or anything. And then in the meantime, like I said, I'm going to do the shredded cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, all that good stuff, and we will see you soon. So our chicken is done, and this is what it's looking like. Okay. And then I got all the fixins. I got some tomatoes, lettuce, shredded cheese, onions. Let's meet over at the stove. So I apologize about this angle, but this is the only way that I can do with my camera setup right now. I got my skillet on medium, just a little bit above medium. It says go ahead and add some oil. Okay, and then it's going to have you add in our tortilla. Meat goes down, or cheese goes down first. This is Colby Jack. Use whatever kind you want. Then I've got our shredded chicken. We're going to put in there. And that's all we're putting on there for now. Okay. So we got that. And then we are going to, I need a tongs. It says it needs to be for 1 to 2 minutes. So we're going to get this in half. Guess I put it on the wrong half. All right, and then fold it over. Should be coming out of there. Okay, so it's 1 to 2 minutes each side. We're just trying to get it golden brown on each side. Okay, so we've got our tacos done. This one is mine. They turned out pretty good. About a minute and a half each side. And just gonna pry it open here and put on whatever sides we want. And I did end up having to put more liquid in there. I had to put more salsa and more chicken broth, and I'll put my measurements of what I did end up having to use down in the description. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. I got white onion and red onion. Came prepared, but I'm just gonna go with white for now. A little bit of taco sauce. Okay, a lot. And then some sour cream. It. I don't know. Anyway, let's close it back up. The house sure smells amazing. And everything looks good. Get a bite I can chew here. Now, eventually I'll do a video to where you start from chicken breasts and have to cook it in the crock pot and go from there and do the whole 9. Today was just, you know, I already had some rotisserie chicken and the other stuff, so I thought, why not? So let's give this a bite here. Mmm. 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 That was so good. Mmm. That does bring us to the end of this recipe video. And if you're liking the channel any at all, please give us a like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And we will see you soon. Thank you.